Hello, everyone, this is Lelia from Rinpac. Are you still worrying about how to make your product stand out from the crowd? Look at these matte finish plastic bags. There's the regular matte one, with a smooth and subdued look. And then, we have the Velvet Touch matte bag. Visually, it's quite similar to the regular one. But the difference lies in the touch. The Velvet Touch one offers a luxurious feel that elevates its class. Choose the Velvet Touch for that extra touch of sophistication. For more questions, please feel free to contact me. We'll be right here waiting for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.